Hi, this is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Here's what's actually wild. The Supreme Court just gave a green light to President Trump to fire federal employees en masse, completely sidestepping Congress's authority. This isn't just a legal technicality, it's a significant step toward undermining democratic checks and balances. The court's ruling relied on what's known as the shadow docket, allowing it to avoid confronting the serious constitutional questions at play. Ever notice how these emergency procedures seem to pop up conveniently when the stakes are high for executive power? Let's break this down. Back in February, Trump issued an executive order aiming to reduce the federal workforce through mass layoffs. This prompted a lawsuit from a coalition of unions and local governments, which was initially upheld by a federal judge. Judge Susan Illston pointed out that historically, the president can only restructure federal agencies with Congress's approval. But instead of addressing this fundamental issue, the Supreme Court, in a move that feels more like a dodge than a decision, lifted the injunctions against these layoffs. It's honestly crazy but not surprising that the court has been using procedural gimmicks to avoid the hard questions. Just look at their recent history. In Trump vs. Casa, they sidestepped the issue of birthright citizenship. Justice Sonia Sotomayor, joined by Justices Kagan and Jackson, openly criticized the court's willingness to play along with this gamesmanship. This pattern is more than just a legal strategy. It's a troubling trend that could enable authoritarianism. What if I told you that this ruling isn't just about a few job losses? It's about the very structure of our government. As Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson pointed out in her lone dissent, allowing the president to overhaul the federal government without a thorough legal evaluation undermines Congress's policymaking role. This isn't merely a legal issue, it's a direct threat to our democratic processes. Now think about this. The Supreme Court is out of session for the summer, meaning they won't provide definitive rulings until fall, if then. So while they bask in the appearance of virtue, the real implications of their decisions are unfolding unchecked. This decision was a staggering 8-1, with only Justice Jackson standing firm against the tide. It's a stark reminder of how critical it is to hold our institutions accountable. The court's actions signal a dangerous precedent, one that could pave the way for more authoritarian moves by the executive branch. It's time we recognize these patterns and work together to uphold the principles of democracy. This is David Comfort from Democracy Action Network. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It would help out a lot. Peace.